Today I'm going to teach you how to use bins and folders in DaVinci Resolve. If you work with lots of media files, organizing them properly can save you tons of time and make your editing workflow much smoother. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several tabs down there, and you need to make sure you're on the one labeled Media. This is where all your file organization happens, so clicking on Media will bring you to the right workspace for managing bins and folders. Now shift your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll notice a section called Master. This is essentially your main folder where all your media and bins are stored. To start organizing, right-click on Master. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, click on New Bin. This creates a new folder where you can store related files together. Once the bin is created, you can double-click on it to rename it. For this example, let's call it Music. Naming your bins clearly helps you find what you need quickly, especially when your project grows larger. Now that you've got your first bin set up, let's create another one. Right-click on Master again and select New Bin once more. This time, rename it to something like Videos. Now you have two separate bins to keep different types of media organized. Here's where it gets even more useful. You can actually create bins inside bins, which is perfect for organizing subcategories. Click on the music bin you just created, then right-click on it. Again, select New Bin from the menu. You might name this one Background Music. What you've just done is created a bin inside a bin, which allows you to organize your media even further. This nested structure is incredibly helpful when you're dealing with complex projects that have multiple layers of content. And that's it. You've now set up a clean, organized structure for your media files. From here, you can easily import files or media directly into any of these bins. Just drag and drop your files into the appropriate folder, and everything stays tidy and easy to find. This kind of organization might seem simple, but it makes a huge difference when you're deep into editing and need to locate specific files fast. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.